Hi, I'm going to be showing what I made. Alright, this is what I made here. If I double click, it shows this. Here's my character. If I zoom out, I can flip. Go left to exit left to center. Let's do a quarter. Quarter is fine. Fade effect? No. Coloration 0. Let's put text. Now I have variables in here. Watch what happens. It changes to variable. I can also do it here. Or hello T. Put an actor. Go ahead and put actor 2. I don't really have another character, so I'm just gonna use the same one. Exit right to right. Go to 0.5. And let's have a fade effect in here. Fade in. It'll take 1 second for her to do that. And hello, bar. And this is the cool part. I can just do, I don't know, purple. And let's do color equals purple. Let's do. Come on. And it changed to purple. And color. You always want to close it. See how this looks. That was pretty fast. Let's slow it down to 1.5. Oh, okay. Okay then. Oh, I know what's going on. I don't know why I did that. There we go. And if I want, I can have an effect. No. After it's just. This is going to be position quarter, so let's just change this to quarter. That's a glitch. Fade out. Let's do 2 seconds. That effect. Go ahead and do fade out. 1.5. Change character. Actually, no. I'm going to just copy actor 2, copy and paste. It should be bottom. Do right by right. The second. Oh, yeah. I can't do that because I glitched it. blue. And of course, that fades, and she fades, and that's what I've been working on. I need to fix that too. Reason to have that in there anyway. Anyway, and I can get rid of it all. Add it.